Hi folks, and welcome back to Churn Lane. In this edition, part 7 of building a TMD, I take a look at building the baseboard. So having already decided on a track plan in the previous episode, we're going to proceed to mark out the loco inspection pits. So here I've positioned the buildings and the fueling points. The loco pits have to fit exactly in line with the refueling point so that we get the direct run through. By marking exactly where the edge of the pits needs to go, we can begin to mark out the full section that needs to be cut out of the baseboard to sink the loco pits in. I made a slight change to the track plan here to provide a kickback, and this gives the option to bring a refueling tanker to refuel the depot tanks. I've also marked out where the point motors need to be cut out of the baseboard. I begin by using some 18mm ply formers at 1 foot wide minus 6mm on each side to take the edge of the baseboards. This gives a good strength, and we drill out for cabling. Having already marked out where the point motors need to be cut out, I can determine where the baseboard supports need to be located. The baseboard supports are then glued and screwed into position. The other side of the baseboard is also then glued into position, and we apply glue around the top, ready to take the actual baseboard itself. The top is then screwed into position across the baseboard joists and then tacked with panel pins along the edge into the 6mm ply. As you can see, the baseboard is coming in at just over 3 kilos. And here we have the underside of the completed baseboard, and as seen from the top. Using a jigsaw, we now cut out the holes for the loco inspection pits and ensure that these can slot into place freely. The same again for the second loco inspection point, and here you can see both installed. And I now check the alignment again with all structures in place. Rather than using cork for underlay, which can be expensive, I'd opt for cardboard, where you can pick a sheet up for a couple of pounds. I then mark out the track positions to take the board, apply some PVA glue and stick everything down into position. Then turn the board upside down and weigh down overnight. All of the underlay is now stuck firmly into position. The next stage will be laying the track, and that will come in the next episode. Thanks for watching.